Hello, my beautiful students. You are welcome back to another interesting aspect, mathematics. Now, in today's class, we want to talk about polygon. What is a polygon? As you can have on the whiteboard, a polygon is a plane figure with at least 3 straight sides and angle, typically 5 or more. That is, it's a plane figure with at least 3 straight sides and angle. So we now have various types of polygon. Here we go. We have different types of polygon. Now we have a triangle, a 3-sided polygon, a quadrilateral 4-sided polygon, pentagon 5-sided, hexagon 6-sided polygon, heptagon 7-sided, octagon 8-sided, nonagon 9-sided, decagon 10, undecagon 11, dudecagon, that is 12. Now let's transform it into a song. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, and hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, decagon, and dudecagon. Yes, for the sake of more understanding, I have decided to draw few examples of the polygon. That is, the first example of a polygon, which is the triangle. We go to quadrilateral, that is 4-sided polygon. Here we have pentagon, that is 5. And of course we have 6, which is the hexagon, and we have many more. You understand? We have many more. Yes, much has been said about polygon. Now we want to know the sum total of the angles. That is the interior angles of a regular polygon. Basically, we have 2 types of polygon. That is the regular and the irregular. When you talk of regular, they have equal size and angle. But irregular, one side may be longer than the other, and their angles too are not equal. So that is why we are now saying the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is given by what? That is, the sum of interior is now bracket n minus 2, close the bracket, 180. At times, you may see them writing it this way. At times, you can see 2 into bracket n minus 2, close the bracket, times 90. We are saying the same thing. Or at times, you can see 2n minus 4 times right angle triangle. Now, you can now see we are only playing about with the formula. They all mean the same thing. Now, what do we mean by that interior angle that we are talking about? Let's take example of this hexagon, 6-sided polygon. Now, you can now see this is an interior angle. This is also an interior angle. All these are interior angles. The one marked with X, they are interior angles. Now, we are now saying the sum total of an interior angle is given by this formula. For example, if I'm talking of hexagon, what I'm trying to say, we want to find the sum total of what? Of the interior angle of our hexagon. Now, let's use our formula. In using the formula, we have how many sides has this polygon? That is 6. Hexagon, 6. So it means our n is equal to 6. Now let's apply the formula. We now have, where n is equal to 6, we have 6 minus 2, open and close the bracket, times 180. When you minus this, you have what? You have 4. 4 times 180. 4 times 180, which is 720 degrees. Now you can see the sum total of the interior angles of hexagon is 720 degrees. So we can now find each interior angle. How many angles does this hexagon have? It has 6 angles. So I can now say, you know, each angle is represented by x. I can now say 6x is equal to what? Is equal to 720. Because the sum total is what? Is 720. And how many angles total to this 720? 6. So let us now know what each angle represents. What do? I divide through by 6. I divide this one through by 6. This cancel this. 6 here, 1. It remains what? It remains 1. In 12, 2, 0. So it means each interior angle of hexagon is what? Is 120 degrees. Because it is a regular polygon. Is that understood? Because it's a regular polygon. Now, from this now, you can now see how we got each interior angle. I want to now deduce the formula for each interior angle. Class. Now we have known the total. Each interior angle. Now each interior angle of a regular polygon. Of a regular polygon is given by what? What is our sum total? That is n minus 2. Open and close the bracket. 180 divided by what? Divided by n. If we divide it, what do we do here? What is this 6 standing for? It's standing for the number of sides. So it means we have to divide by number of sides. So that is the formula for each. If you are asked in the exam that find each interior angle of a regular polygon, you first of all know the sum total of the interior angles. Then you now divide by the number of sides. I believe I'm talking. Good. I have an example. We want to find each size of the interior angle of a regular heptagon. Class, what is heptagon? Heptagon is a 7-sided polygon. So it means, what is our n? Since they say heptagon, our n is what? Is 7. So we say n is equal to 7. Sum of interior now. Sum of interior angles is given by what? N minus 2 times 180. So we've known our n now. This one is going to be 7 minus 2, open and close bracket, 180. And this one will give us 2 from 7, that is 5 times 180. And this one will give us 900 degrees. So class, now class, we have found the sum total of the interior angle. Now they now say each side, that we should find each side of a what? Of that angle. So how many sides is that polygon? 7. So I will now say each side of the angle is equal to 900 all over 7. 7 in 9, 1. It remains 2. 7 in 20, that is 2. It remains what? That's 2 times we have 6. 7 in 60, that is 8. That is what? 50 what? What is 7 times 8? 56. It remains 4 all over 7 degrees. That is the each interior angle. Now, from what we can see here now, it means each interior angle of a regular heptagon. Please, this answer you obtained for heptagon is not the same as hexagon. That of hexagon is different. That of pentagon is different. So you have to apply this formula. They have different interior angles. Class, if you enjoyed this topic, do subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.